Hey guys, welcome back. It's Tyler. Tyler Marie. And I'm going to be customizing this doll that I got for my birthday today from Lula. And also this like slime thing that I'm going to mix up. So I'm going to see how it goes. There's Lula. So yeah. What should I start with first?
This takes longer to do, so I don't know which one you want.
I'll probably start with like the slime thing.
Okay.
I love these pom-pom balls. I think they're so cute. They're so tiny. Dragon would go crazy over them.
I know.
Because they're so tiny.
Wait, how do I open this? I'll ask your mom to.
Maybe go get a scissors. I really don't know. I am just gonna open the slime thing. Maybe I should have kept the box. Okay. So, oh my goodness, that's so satisfying. So good. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's so satisfying. Look at that. Look at that. That's so cool. Okay. I'm also going to be doing a thing of what... Okay. I'm also going to be... I might do a video right after this one about what I got for my birthday. So, yeah. This is honestly what I do whenever I don't spare time and I'm bored. So, you guys should really get a YouTube channel. If you guys don't have a YouTube channel, you should get one. It's really fun. So, yeah. Lula is getting the other thing already. And I'm going to see how well this goes. So, yeah. So, this is kind of like the container, I guess. I don't want to mix it up. Like, look at that. It's so cute in there. I'm going to have to ask her what you do. It's so squishy. Oh my goodness, it's so satisfying. I don't know if you guys hear that, but it's so satisfying. So yeah, I'm just waiting for Lula to come back. I got a new chair and it's really comfortable. I love sitting there. I'm just gonna open everything up. So here's like this thing, something inside. So I'm just gonna open that up. So, oh my goodness, it smells good. I almost said gooey. How do you smell something gooey? I don't know. If you're new, I can use anything funny. Oh my goodness! Look at that. It's like a little bunny. It's so cute. I'm just gonna put that right there. Just spread it off some paper and stuff. So there's trash over there, I think. I really don't know what to do. Okay. I'm just gonna like put it in here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. Okay. Lula! How do you, do I take it out of the little cone thing?
Oh yeah.
Can it mix?
I guess, yeah.
Oh my goodness. This is so cool. This is so weird. Okay. There's a wrapper in it. Ew, okay. I put the little bunny in, and now I can't really find it. That was really
Cute little thing.
That is cute.
I'm gonna get her hair started because it takes kind of a long time.
Okay. Lila's gonna get the hair started for her, the doll. I'm just gonna work on getting all this gunk, the gooey sticky that sticks really hard. There's always that one
Yes, there is.
part where it doesn't want to come out.
There's a bobby pin. It's so cute.
Is that a bobby pin?
Oh wait, no, it's earring. Oh, no,
Oh,
where'd it
gosh.
go? Oh, I
You
found
could
it.
put earrings.
Yeah, earring. This one isn't as bad, so I'm gonna. The curls are though.
But curls are so hard to curl.
So yeah, that's why we're. And I might need a paper towel or towel. I don't know.
I might need a knife for this. Can't get it out. It's like not sticky, but like it sticks to like the. It's not sticky, like it doesn't stick to my desk. But it's
It's a really pretty color though.
Yeah, hot mixed. It's like a light. It looks lighter in the camera a bit. Just kind of gonna get.
Usually I just start kind of coloring this out first, and then that's when I put it in there.
I'm using my brush.
Tyler, that book in here, Tyler?
Huh? Yeah, it's in the front, the top drawer.
Oh,
Look at
start reading it?
Huh?
Start reading it?
Oh my goodness. Look how.
Stream ownership.
No, I didn't start reading it. By the way, you're on the camera.
I think we're gonna need a bigger bowl. Should I do this in the sink or something?
Yeah. Maybe get like a towel or something. I don't think about that.
I'll stay here, and then I'll try to get that out
Okay.
while you get a towel ready.
Yeah. I'll get a knife too. Okay. Hi. I'm gonna try to get some of this out because it's kind of hard. So I don't know what to talk about. I don't think you can. Here's a towel.
Okay. So then I can. Now I'm gonna go to the sink and do this.
Okay.
I think I have a cute idea.
Okay. This is really hard to get out. We're getting most of it, but it smells really good too. I'm sorry guys, this might be a long video, so. Okay. And it is Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday. Go Chiefs. So, Lula, how's the doll coming? Okay, good. Do you have the brush or the comb? Easy. It's coming. Don't really know what could get it out.
So guys, I'm gonna have some magic to show you.
Do you have your own YouTube channel?
No, not anymore, but I have a video posted on it. But okay, I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna put this face mask on her.
Oh gosh.
Okay. I have a face mask that I'm gonna put on her if it gets on her.
Okay. Let you explain. So I don't know. She has one of her own, so I don't know how to work it. Good thing she's here. Go on.
Okay, well, there. So she has a face mask on. Now I'm gonna take it off. There's no more bad makeup.
So like it took off, show them the inside of the.
It took off a little mask that was on her face, and yes, you can put it back on too, by the way. Which is pretty cool.
Here's the little mask.
So like you can do this all over again, except for the hair part.
So like here's the bad makeup. The lipstick is smeared, the eyeshadow is like all over her face. The eyebrows are a mess. And yeah.
So I'm going to show you guys the end when I'm finally done.
Okay. There's this one.
Kind of be careful because like you don't want it to like kind of start bending. Like there's like a whole bunch of hair stuff on
Okay,
me.
tell me whenever you're done with that.
Okay.
So. And then.
Okay, I got one earring in.
Start combing out her hair. It's actually coming pretty well.
Is it just a clip, I guess? I don't know what to do with it.
It smells good. Smell this.
Oh yeah, it does.
It smells like fruit.
Or maybe it's that one that it's your you know.
No,
I don't know.
I don't think it is. Hi, Granny. I put him on this chair and remember he jumped it.
Mm-hmm.
He like almost fell. Say hi. Oh, he's sitting. Why are you sitting like that?
It's like because you're holding me that way.
You gonna get off?
And everything.
Okay. Thanks for coming to say hi. Bye. Bye, bud. It's gonna go under my desk. He always sighs like that. I don't know if you heard him, but he always goes. And I'm like, why do you do that?
Okay, I think I'm gonna put her hair in a ponytail like this.
Okay.
I don't know how it was on. I don't remember how it was, but
It was like,
I don't know. It looked like twisted up.
but I don't know how they did that.
Like that? I don't know. I just put that on like that. I don't know. I just put that on like that.
Here.
So I put her glasses on, and then she looks like me, kind of.
Wait a minute. What's this?
Those are elastics for her hair too.
So this is how we have her. I might braid her hair. Like 3 braids. Her hair is very sticky.
Yeah, because there's still hair product in it. Like, if you want to get the sticky stuff out, I guess you could, like, put, like, soap in it and then...
Yeah.
But I didn't want to take a long time, so...
I'm gonna have to wash my hair after this. Not my hair, my hands. Why did I say my hair?
I don't know, because we were talking about hair.
Maybe.
I do that sometimes.
Just gonna brush out like her curls. Kind of make them settled. Oh gosh, it's very sticky.
Do you want me to go, like, wash it?
Sure.
Okay.
Here. Can I
Oh.
use that towel real quick?
Uh-huh.
Oh, shoot. Oh well.
This is 15 minutes long.
Okay, so I'm gonna start putting this stuff into my slime. Lula's doing that. So yeah. I'm gonna put these like little beads in here. I think that'll be cool. This is the color of it. That's how it turned out. I'm really happy about it. Okay, here's trash. I just have the trash right here. Really happy with the color that it turned out and everything. So, yeah, I'm not sure if I should just start sticking the beads in. Okay, I'm going to start sticking the beads in. What I recommend is like put it into a bowl like this. To like a ball like that. So we put it like, oops, sorry, trash. So put it like this and just kind of like smush it down. Put a hole in it. Here. Kind of like that. That's what I'm doing. Like I'm just gonna like push down and like 2 fingers, just kind of like that, and like so your beads don't spill everywhere. Which I think they already have for me. So, look at her. That's what I put in my hair sometimes, because I'm like, ugh, so wet. That's what I did last night. I'm not joking. Okay, so I'm gonna pour these. What's those? Those are, it's like a bunny. I'm not really sure.
That's a lot.
I know. It might make sense. Wait, I think I have the same AirPods as you. Hold on. Can I look?
I do have the same AirPod brand as you.
Did you hear that? So sad.
Mine's teal though.
Really? Gosh. I have beads all over the place. I need to like scoop them up.
Oh, is this what they meant about scratched?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's up there too. So. Oh gosh, maybe it was a bad idea to put the beads in.
Like, I would just put a couple in at a time.
Yeah, now I know. Oh gosh. Let me put you back up here. Okay. Why is it so dark? There. Okay. I'm just like picking up all of the beads that are on.
Her hair is almost like straight.
I know, it's like really long. Look how
Oh,
long
mine's
it is.
longer. Mine's longer.
Look how long. I know, like they come in like.
The one I have is longer because it has like hair coloring and stuff.
So like you can actually color it better. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see inside, but there's little tiny beads. It kind of made it rip, but it feels interesting. I can't really explain what it feels like. Feel it. It feels
that's
like,
cool.
I know, it's like satisfying.
Feels soft. She looks really pretty.
She does. Under.
She looks like me, but in a different version.
Let me see.
Yeah. want hair like this. I really do. Like
I think she turned out good.
Like I would want it like my hair. Like I would want the same color and stuff. I would just want it to be super long and like pretty. I don't know.
I want my hair to grow down to here. But that's not gonna happen. I don't know if you guys can hear that. That's satisfying.
Wait, try like putting it up to like the speaker. Maybe a little like that.
And let me. I love doing that. Okay.
I want to see what happens if I try to put her hair like this and put it the butterfly clip in.
Oh. I'm gonna put like these little pom-poms in. Yeah. Oh gosh. There's so many.
Okay.
Right there. And go.
She looks like a troll. No.
That does not look good. No.
Like,
We're like, no.
I keep dropping stuff.
Look at the little pom-poms that are in here. There's like, there's all kinds of stuff in here. So yeah. That's the slime.
She came with a stand, but I couldn't get this part on here.
Ah, okay. Did you wash her hair?
I did. It's not sticky anymore.
Just gonna clean up. Okay. Try to like, I don't know how they did like the little twist
At the top, yeah, I don't know how to do that either. I'm just twisting it like and putting it and clipping it like this.
This is what she was in. So, there's that.
Okay, now let's see.
And we can do different hairstyles. There. She's done. Yep. So, that's it, right? Okay. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and smash the subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you get all my videos, and thanks. Bye.